genotypes and phenotype. Genotype, it is important terms, genetic terms or genetic terminology. Genotypes means it is a genetic constitution of an individual. Genetic constitution of an individual. It is called, or the genetic constitution of an individual with respect to particular traits, it is called genotypes. For example, tall and dwarf plants, their genotypes will be tall produce genotypes capital T, and dwarf plant produce genotypes small t. These are the genotypes. Many other genotypes like capital R, small r, these capital Y, means these are the genotypes. Genotypes means genetic constitution of an individual. Okay. Next term, phenotypes. Next term related to this topic, phenotypes. Phenotype means external appearance of an individual. Phenotypes means external appearance. External appearance of an individual. It is called phenotypes. For example, height of stem, it is an external appearance. Seed color, flower location, these are the characters or these are the phenotypes, external appearance of an individual. Okay, these are the external appearance means phenotypes. These two terms are very important. The question may be asked in these two terms. The number of phenotypes and genotypic individuals produced during a typical Mendelian monohybrid cross will be respectively the genotypes and phenotypes. What will be the genotypes and phenotypes are produced in monohybrid cross? Options are many options: 3 and 3, 3 and 2, 2 and 2, 2 and 3. Okay, the correct option, the monohybrid cross. The terms monohybrid cross, these are the some genetic terminology. The genotypes and phenotypes means the genetic constitution of an individual and external appearance of an individual. The monohybrid cross. What will the monohybrid cross? Monohybrid cross. Monohybrid cross means, what is monohybrid cross? Mono means single. The cross between only one pair of contrasting character. It is called monohybrid cross. The cross between only one pair of contrasting character. Only one pair of contrasting character. It is called monohybrid cross. Single pair of contrasting characters. Garden pea plants, that is 7 pairs. For example, one pair, height of stem, tall and dwarf. This is a single pair of contrasting characters. And now the number of phenotypes and genotypes in monohybrid cross. The example, there will be one example, take one example like the phenotypes tall, one example, height of stem, tall and dwarf, monohybrid cross, tall and dwarf, it is a dominating traits and it is a recessive traits. Two traits, this is a phenotypes or it is a P generation or phenotypes. Okay, there will be produced genotypes. Genotypes means genetic constitution. The tall plants genetic constitution like capital T and dwarf plant produce small t. This is the genotypes of pea plants, height of stem, tall and dwarf plants, and this tall plant produce capital T and small plants produce small t. Okay. Next one, this capital T, there will produce gametes, only one gametes. This homozygous condition produce only one gametes, this capital T and small t. Okay. This F1 produce heterozygous. The F1 will be produce heterozygous. Means this F1 is produced tall plants, pea plants. This is a F1 generation. Garden pea plants. This monohybrid cross will be produced. The genotype and phenotypic ratio, it is 3:1. The phenotypic ratio is 3:1. This monohybrid cross will be produced. The phenotypes are, what will be the phenotypes are produced? 2 phenotypes and there are produced the 3 genotypes. Okay. This monohybrid cross having only one pair of contrasting characters and this single pair of contrasting characters will be produced. The ratio means this F1 is produced tall, the dominating expression is tall. This fourth number option will be 4, 2 and 3. Okay. This is a monohybrid cross experiment, only one pair of contrasting character. Next point, next genetic terminology, homozygous and heterozygous. Next genetic terminology, it is a homozygous condition and heterozygous. What is meant by homozygous? Homo means similar. Individual possesses similar alleles. It is called homozygous. Individual possesses similar alleles. It is called homozygous. Homo means similar. The individual produce or possessing similar alleles. For example, similar alleles like capital T, small t, capital R. It is a homozygous condition. Homo means similar. Alleles are produced. Individual possessing similar alleles. Next term, heterozygous. Hetero means different. Heterozygous means individual possessing dissimilar alleles. It is known as heterozygous. For example, capital T, small t. This will be different. The heterozygous condition means this capital T and small t. These alleles are heterozygous. In homozygous condition, these alleles will produce similar alleles or individual possesses similar alleles in homozygous condition, and heterozygous condition the alleles are dissimilar, difference. This is the two genetic terminology or definition of genetic terms, heterozygous and homozygous. The next point, dihybrid cross.